hope has several amazing qualities. The first is that it awakens all the rest of our faculties. People without hope die a little bit every day, and what dies are all the other wonderful things that make them human, like their creativity, their capacity to imagine, their willingness to sacrifice for others, all those sorts of things. And um, so without hope, what you end up with is sort of the tension of self-interest in institutions, the sort of mutually assured destruction, what sociologists call the refractory nature of our organizations, which are just interests pulling against each other and achieving some kind of temporary stability. Um, hope allows you to name a place on the horizon you want to sail to together and to start navigating there. You may not agree on the intermediate course to arrive there, but you can negotiate the course if you're clear about the destination, and the destination matters. And if you're a leader who cannot convey the destination and why it matters, then you're a technician. It's not just motivational. We call people to do a lot more than to be motivational. We call them to take risk with their personhood. What are you bringing to work with you every day? And if it's not safe to bring everything to work, or if there's no ultimate meaning to the work we're doing together, then it's an unreasonable ask. Really, rational people won't do it.